man? Do you do man things with your truck? I do. Mad man things. Big time man guy here. This right here, this is for Neanderthal. Look at this. I tightened it last week. You like hearing that? When you're driving? No. Me? Do not like hearing that. You like doing this? Hate doing this. Those things suck. Bad. But there's a solution to my problem. Because other man dudes that do guy dude things with their truck, and sometimes lady dude things with the dude things on the ladies, and the ladies do dude things in the truck. But mostly the dudes, but a lot of ladies as well. And all of the things that they do are, anyways. Z1 Off-Road, super sick stuff right here. Simple, small. It has the cleats. You put it in, skadoosh. No rattle, no smattle. Slides back and forth. Lock it in. Turn-a-rooskies. Skadoosh. Simple. On top of the fact that this is super solid and amazing, you don't have to worry about this. And look, you save like 3 inches. Everybody needs 3 inches, you know what I'm saying? Big 3-inch thing here. We want flush. Slide things in, use the space. You put this in, you try to put a frame, forget about it. No, you get about problems for days. This, boom. Look what we can do now. Boom. Yeah. I can do this. Yeah. Boom. Okay, so imagine this. You're hanging out with your buddies and they decide to turn your bed into a pool. And you bring along floaties. And you're like, sick dude. Ow, 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 ow. That protrusion is totally in the way. That hurts my shoulder when I'm trying to relax in my bed pool. Not anymore, guys. Boom. Boom. Look at how fast that is. Boom. Oh yeah, now I can relax. No shoulder injuries, no protrusions. Nobody likes that extra 3 inches when it isn't needed, you know what I'm saying? There's nothing better, really. Z1 Off-Road, killed it. I don't care if they're $1 million or $5. These are worth every penny. Buy them, z1offroad.com. Peace.